So, what is TypeScript? In a few words, it is a superset of JavaScript. So, on top of JavaScript, we have some more features. The main feature of TypeScript are the types, which describe the shape of objects. And this was a feature long missing in JavaScript, and it is the reason for TypeScript to exist. Well, before TypeScript or without TypeScript, you can at any time you can have all kinds of errors with this uncaught type error, because at runtime you might want to access fields of objects that don't exist, and this will mean nasty errors that you can catch up very early using TypeScript. And with these types you can give like a strong type to your objects and to prevent these very nasty errors, which can be really expensive in production. Other features of TypeScript are classes or enhanced support for classes, because JavaScript also has classes. We have also interfaces, we have decorators, and many more. We also have a compiler. This means that we can write code with the very latest JavaScript features like modules, like decorators, and so on, and we can transpile it for older runtimes if we want to support older browsers, for example. And following the course, we will get into all these TypeScript features. We will start with its installation, and if you want to make things easier for you, you can use the GitHub divs or the section resources. This being said, let's proceed into the next lecture and install TypeScript.